Hello, I'm Dean McBride. More and more people are representing themselves in their divorce cases. New Mexico Courts has a thorough self-help guide online for self-represented or pro se parties. In this series, Camille Baca with the New Mexico Courts will tell us more about the resources available for self-represented parties, what you should know before beginning the divorce process if you're representing yourself, and then she'll explain the steps in the divorce process.
Hi, Dean. Thank you for having me.
So Camille, what do you want people to know before they decide to represent themselves in their divorce?
If you're representing yourself in your divorce case, you're acting as your own lawyer. So you have to follow the same rules of procedure and evidence as lawyers. It's your responsibility to determine what needs to be done and to take the necessary action. So the first step should be to go online to nmcourts.gov, where you can find divorce forms and instruction about what needs to be filled out and when. Court clerks can help you in many ways, but they cannot give you legal advice. So if you have any questions, you may want to seek the advice and assistance of an attorney.
Looking at nmcourts.gov, it says that you have to have lived in New Mexico for at least 6 months before filing a divorce petition in our state.
You did your homework. You're absolutely right. And you have to file in the court of the county where either you or your spouse have lived for at least 6 months.
What else should we know before we get started?
It's important to know terms that are on the forms or that relate to the divorce process. To start, a party is a spouse named in a divorce proceeding. A petition for dissolution of marriage is the document that requests the divorce. A petitioner is the first party named on a petition for a divorce.
And what is a respondent?
A respondent is the second party named on a petition. In this case, it's the person who is responding to the divorce petition. A complete listing of terms is also on the self-help guide on the nmcourts.gov website.
Quick review. You're getting a divorce and you want to represent yourself. Do your homework by reading the thorough self-help guide at nmcourts.gov.
Yes, the website provides a lot of great information, but it's not designed to give legal advice. Again, if you have any questions, you may want to get a lawyer.
In our next segments, we'll talk about the forms you'll need to fill out if you're getting a divorce and representing yourselves. Camille, thank you for joining me.